Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. So in this drawing channel, the blue hand drawing, we are going to draw a nice and easy drawing today. So the subject today is how to draw easily a basket. For this, let's make an outline first. So this is the basic outline as you see here. Now we can put some twisting ribbons like this. Alright. Let's continue and draw the ribbons alongside the outlines as we have drawn previously. Alright, so the ribbon for the bottom part it's done. Now on the other side, if you give it a time, the ribbons are going to look more nice. Okay. Now we can draw the outline surface at the bottom part. The curved line will look exactly like this. That was on the right side, and let's draw another one on the left side. And we connect the bottom like this. Let's draw a base under this one. Purex, it's like the curved lines. You can say it like a check pattern for the strips. This is a nice distinguishable texture as you see on the pot. One more here. Alright, let's put some dotted line inside like this. So this one is a different texture from outside. Okay. Now we need a handle on top of it. For the handle, we can draw a curved outline like this and connect it to the corner of the basket as we drew previously. Another curved line we can draw here. Let's draw another line parallel to the previous one like this one and connect it to the corner as you are seeing here. Also in this side, you can put a nice decoration of the flower, artificial flower of course, looks like this. Alright, and few diagonal pattern like this. It's like something is just all around the handle from this corner to that corner. something like ribbon. So it's running all around the handle, and starting from one side it's going to the other side. Alright, so this is the basic outlines as you see. Now we can draw the shades to give it a nice outlook. You can put a blue color for the shade outside. Let's put it with the large drawing steps. In this case, the dark shades you see, it will be to the border, and the light shades, it will be in the middle of the drawing. Put more stroke like this to show the depth of the shades, as it has a little variation, because of the lights falling from one side. So one side we see the lighter part, and the other side we see the darker part. If you observe the pattern of the lights, then you will understand the whole steps. It's all about observation and drawing the next time. Okay. So the basket is almost done. Now we can put the dark blue or the navy blue at the bottom. Draw like me. Okay. Let's put ink for the ribbon. Alright, nice outline. Then we can put the purple for the handle. Let's draw the purple here for the handle. The color we can put in the middle of the parallel lines. Okay. Let's put the bright red color for the flower here. As you see, after we put the colors, the drawings are getting more nice and attractive. The more we work on it, the more it looks better. Okay. Let's put it on the ground. Draw it like this, the surface. Alright, now it looks like that the basket is on the ground. Shade is good, color is good, everything looks okay. So the drawing is almost complete. If you want to put some 3D effects on the flowers, You can do the little details like me. In this case, you can put the shades on one side and put the lights on the other side. So all the round parts, it has a darker side at the one corner and the lighter side at the other corner. Okay. So this is it. Thanks for staying with us. I hope you guys like the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel and do the practice and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.